So YouTube, today I have a new product that just got to me. It's an electronic lunchbox. As you can see, it's absolutely amazing. You don't have to use a microwave to warm up your food. Some people don't think a microwave is healthy. And it heats up. It says basically it takes about 40 to 50 minutes to get it to 70 degrees, but you don't need the food that hot. Normal. So basically I would plug it for like 30 minutes and that would be perfectly fine. It looks like that. So let's unbox it. I did try to plug it and it warmed up pretty quick when I got it at work, so it's not too bad. Comes in like this. They have different colors, as you can see right here, all the different colors. Comes in like this. As you can see, you have your heat up light and you have where you plug it to the outlet. On top you have a spoon or fork holder, as you can see, and it comes with its own, as you can see. Pretty cool. Also, on the top, okay, right there. Okay, on the top, it has your little handles to hold it. Pretty cool. Nice hold. Now, open it up. It does have a pretty good seal. Comes with your manual. You have your plug. And you have your food holder, your rice, beans, whatever you want to put. This is how it looks. Put your food. There's the hot plate. This will warm up, so be careful, it will be hot. And basically put your food. Put your food, lock it up. Plug it. And you tuck it to the wall. And it will warm up. You can leave it for the whole 50 minutes. It's up to you how would you like your food, how hot. But it's absolutely amazing and very helpful. You don't gotta use a microwave no more. You don't know what the microwave has. But absolutely love it. Love everything about it. Well, hopefully this helped you choose this product. Like I said, below will be a link where to buy. Like and subscribe. Thanks.